Hello everyone, I say Nawaz and welcome back you to my YouTube channel Math World. So in today's video we are going to see how to calculate the amount of ferrite required. So without wasting any time, let us quickly see the question which appears in GATE 2016. The question number is 36 for your reference. The question is like it is desired to increase the density of 200 barrels of 10 ppg mud to 12 ppg mud by using API ferrite of density 35 ppg. Although the final volume is not limited, and we have to calculate the amount of ferrite required in terms of LBM, and he has given that 1 barrel is equal to 42 gallons. So let us quickly see the answer for it. As I first wrote the given data, which is nothing but density of a brine is 35 ppg, initial density of a mud is 10 ppg, and the final density of a mud will be 12 ppg. Initial volume of a mud is 200 barrels, final volume and volume of a ferrite and final volume is not given, what we have to find. And finally he is asking us to find the mass of ferrite in terms of LBM. So to calculate this, we just need to know what is law of conservation of mass, which is nothing but what I just wrote in a short way, that related to this problem, initial mass plus added mass will be equal to final mass. Okay, so even you can see that whatever data is given, it is given in terms of density and volume. So mass is nothing but density into volume. Okay, so let us quickly see how we can calculate. So the initial mass, which is nothing but density into volume, is represented as Roman V1, and the added mass, which is nothing but added brine, in terms of density into volume is rho2 V2, and the final as rho F Vf. So here you can see I have just substituted the value 10 into 200, which is density of a initial mud into volume of initial mud, and rho2 V2 of a brine as 35 ppg as density, and V2 is not given, that we have to calculate, and the final volume and the final mass as and the final mass is like if you see the volume which is required, the volume will be the volume of final mud will be like 200 barrels plus amount of means the volume of barrel of ferrite what you have added to convert 10 ppg to 12 ppg. So that I wrote as 200 plus V2 as volume of ferrite. So final density is nothing but 12. So here you can notice that at both the side I have multiplied with 42 what information he has given even in the question, that 1 barrels is equal to 42 gallons. So why to add is like the density, you can see he has the density, the units of density is ppg. If you open this ppg, it is nothing but pounds per gallons or lb per gallons. So here you have volume as barrels, but in density it is gallons. So to convert these gallons into barrels, I have just multiplied the 42 on both the sides. So if you've seen the calculation, after mentioning this, I have just cancelled 42 on both the sides. So after simplification, I got the next step as 10 into 200, which is nothing but 2000. 35 V2 is equal to 200 into 12, which is nothing but 2400 plus 12 V2. Okay, so I have just took the like terms at one side. 2400 minus 2000, 35 V2 minus 12 V2. So once I simplified this, the final answer for volume of ferrite is nothing but 17.391 barrels. Okay, so once I got the volume of the ferrite, I can simply calculate the mass of ferrite required. So the mass of ferrite is equal to density of a ferrite into volume of a ferrite. Okay, so as the density of a ferrite is given in the question as 35 ppg. ppg means lb per gallons, and the volume is nothing but 17.391 barrels. So here you can see that even now the density is in gallons and lb per gallons, and the volume is in barrels. So to convert gallons into barrels, I have just multiplied with a factor as 42 conversion factor. So mass is equals to 25564.77 lbm. This is your answer for this question. That's an end of this question solving answer for this question. But if you see next step, I have even calculated the final volume of mud which is required, which is very easy. It is nothing but volume of 10 ppg mud plus the volume of barite required. So for this step, volume of 10 ppg, it is given in the question that it is 200 barrels, and volume of barite what we have calculated as 17.391. So the final answer, the final volume of the mud will be 217.391 barrels to convert 10 ppg mud to 12 ppg mud by using API barite. So this is an end of today's problem or today's video. So hope you like this video. If you like, just press like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you have any request for any other numerical problem, or if you have any doubts or comments, so you can use my comment box, and please press the bell icon to get a latest updates of my video. And thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.